Hello guys, today we prepare a stuffed eggs. This recipe is a secret recipe for my mother-in-law, so be careful. Very yummy recipe. You need 10 boiled eggs. Remember that when you boil the eggs, you should put the egg in the pot after you add the cold water and after you put the pot on the stove, and you on the power at medium power, not the maximum, because they need to reach the boil temperature slowly. After you will boil 10 minutes. So 10 eggs boiled, 120 gram of tuna, without oil, without nothing, only the tuna. 1 tablespoon of capers that I preserve in the salt, homemade. I collect this caper last summer in Greece. You can see the video at the end of this video. 1 teaspoon of anchovies paste and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. After, like a decoration to complete your eggs, you need a mayonnaise again to put on the top of the eggs and olives, so at least 20 olives. Now we remove the skin of the egg. We cut the eggs in two. We take the yolk and we put in the mixer with the tuna, the capers, the anchovies, and the tablespoon of mayonnaise. After, we will complete with the other ingredient, but I'll show you later.